there, the task is quite easy. We said to this y, hard change in y is equal to 1 over, this is x, of course, hard change in x, as in this case. Next procedure is take this y to the other side. I'll have this man change in y equal to 1 over x plus change in x minus this y currently becomes what? A minus y. At this junction, my next task is to say that but y in the question is what? 1 over x. 1 over x. So anywhere I see y, I'll put 1 over x there. That's the meaning. For me, I'll have change in y is equal to 1 over x plus change in x minus what is y? 1 over x. So I have 1 over x. In mathematics per se, let me just encase in brackets, right? In mathematics, if I have two fractions and I'm having either plus or minus in the center, what comes to mind? LCM. That's the concept in mathematics. If I have two fractions this way and I'm having either plus or minus in the center, what comes to mind? LCM. But if I have times there, you don't apply LCM. You break them down or you multiply them. But for this case where I have minus, what comes to mind? LCM. So I'll look for my what? Applying LCM concept. For me, I'll have that change in y is equal to, if I have, observe that, what's my LCM? Let me ask you, what's my LCM here? Take a little bit and think. What do you think my LCM here will be? Think, what will be the LCM here? So I ask you. In this case here, my LCM is not x. My LCM is not in x. Rather, my LCM is x into x in x. So this term here is assumed as something else. X2 is under something else. So if two uncommon term, if you're looking for the LCM of two uncommon term, the two term becomes the LCM. So these two are not the same, are not common. So the 2 becomes the LCM. So I'd want to start with x first. My LCM becomes start with x into what? X plus change in x. This 2 becomes your LCM. Let's start with this first one here. If this one here, this one divide this one, I'll be having only x left. Now this x here times 1 is of course x. So I have x. This is minus sign here. Similarly, this x